Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio for the like, subscribe and share and get ready because this video will be great. Can you see this? Wow! This camera is the camera that I want to talk to you about. Look at here. You can see Young Studio 4D here. Bro, this is real. This camera can recording on frontal camera like that. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and this camera is this camera can recording also with the main camera. I want to turn the camera. Are you ready? Get ready to see this. Look at that. One, beautiful. Turn the camera. Two, wonderful. Look at that again. Wow, this is amazing. Can you see this? Wow. I see this camera is unbelievable. If you like it, call like and now let me show you how to install this on your beautiful phone. Follow me. Let's go on my studio. Are you going to see this? Wow, look at that. This is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and this phone is amazing. Okay, let me activate the flash right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this. The flash is enabled. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful phone. Fire! Can you see this? This is great. This is amazing and is unbelievable. Wow, look at the design and another. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, now my hand is free. Let's go to the beautiful test review. Okay. Clean your screen right now and get ready. As you can see, this is a beautiful phone, a wonderful phone. Okay, wonderful. There are Android One UI into. As you can see, this is great. This is so nice. I like it. Ooh, I want to take a photo quickly. Let me do something right now. I want to do something on my beautiful camera. Wonderful, beautiful. Now look at. As you can see, this is One UI. Beautiful phone for you. Many things to do and it's great. Now let me show you this. Oh, what is this? Look at that. Can you see this? Oh, okay, look at that. Is it an angel and a devil? What? You can go on my second YouTube channel just to go through, just to go free. Do subscribe also. Okay, this camera is here. Timestamp. Okay, go on a beautiful Play Store. Come here and enter time. Can you see this? Wonderful. Enter time stamp. Can you see this? Timestamp camera is here. There. Click here. And look at that. There are many timestamp camera. They are the free. You can download the free. There are also the Pro timestamp camera Pro. You can download the Pro. As you see, I have installed the Pro. Okay, the version Pro. Okay, wonderful. Look at that. Look at the description on this beautiful Play Store. Look at that. You can see here the time and a name. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, it's the same. Okay, wonderful. Look at what you can do with this beautiful camera. This is nice and it's great. When you turn, you can see all of this. You can see all of the data. Okay, when you travel, you can look at here. You can also see your position from the map. You can add all of this directly on your screen when you're recording. It's possible with this camera. This is amazing, bro. Look at that. Wow. Also look at this. You can take a photo with this, with the position directly on this screen. And here, enable all of this via. Look at the settings, beautiful settings. I like it. You can do many things. The configuration of this beautiful camera is here. Wow. As you can see, this is great. This is wonderful. Look at that. Okay, I like it. As you can see, look at this. Look at that. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this commentary. Love it. Il recently stopping working and I message. Okay, another. Look at that. There are some messages. Let's see. You can see here. Good application, but can't set the file name by my own. On some camera, so many functions and benefits a must have. Okay, this camera, is it good? Yes or no? Let's test this. Okay, let's test this. Firstly, look at on this screen. Okay, look at on this screen. This is a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 camera, and I use this camera to recording this video. Look at here. Young Studio 4D is here. My name is here, bro. This is great. This is great. Okay, let's go to the first opening. As you can see, when you install this Pro application, you can do this to allow all of this. It's the same for the free also. And when you come here, you can see this. This camera is good. It's beautiful. You can test this. Let me to show you the review. Look at all of this. This is for your beautiful video. Okay, this is for video. Photo. This is photo. You can see here to turn the camera for with the frontal camera. You can also see. You can also do the same action. Look at it's so fast. So fast. Not bad. You can also see here. This is for the flash. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Good is good. You can activate this for the flash. Is enabled for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And look at that. You can take a photo and look at your photo here. Wow, beautiful. It's so natural. Natural is amazing. This is great. This is great. Okay, let me zoom again. Let me zoom. When you zoom, you can see this. Okay, to zoom and go back. Look at that. This is a good thing for me. It's precious. It's wonderful. And now you can do this for the focus. Okay, for the focus like that, and take a photo. Let's see. Look at that. This is not bad. This is a zoom. Ooh, you can also work with previews. This is great. Look at. I like it. I like it, bro. Wow. This is a good thing for me. And for you. You can share a beautiful photo. See all. Wow. Instagram, and another. Wow, bro, this is great. Now go back and see the video mode. Look at under. You can see this, the date and your street or your city here. Okay, wonderful. Can you see this? Beautiful. Okay, as you can see, you can go. You can recording before recording. Okay, recording like that, recording a video. When you click on this video, you can see this appear. First is exposure. Okay, you can see also the level here. Okay, on this screen. When you change, this is 0, minus 1 and 2, plus 2. Okay, you can see. Okay, now let's recording a video quickly. When you click on recording, you can see under the time is here and your city also. You can add here a map on the settings. I will show you this. Okay, look at that. You can also zoom and configure your zoom here. Wonderful. Wow, it's working. Okay, you can also turn the camera for the frontal camera. Okay, like that. 1, 2, 3, turn, and you can recording on the frontal camera like that. Okay, wow, this is amazing. Let me do this right now and show you. Hello, I'm so happy to see you today. Can you see this? Look at that. It's working. Okay. You can also turn the camera again and continue to recording in the back camera. Can you see this? This is amazing. And you can stop the camera right now and watch your video here. Look at that. This is amazing. This is so great. This is unbelievable. Is wow. Look at that. Volume. You can also zoom and configure your zoom here. Wonderful. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Turn the camera. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Look at that. And you can recording on the frontal camera like that. This is amazing. Wow. This is amazing. Let me do this right now and show you. Hello. I'm so happy to see you today. Look at that. Can you see this? Look at that. As you can see, it's working. Pause. This is the player from this beautiful stamp camera. Look at the date and another. Wow, Abidjan and another. You can also change the color of this or disappear. Let's go on the settings to do this right now. When your settings here, click here to access to your beautiful setting. As you can see, you can configure the color. You can choose a color for your beautiful camera. For example, choose the red color. Click on OK. Look at now here. The color of the date, change it. Okay, let me deactivate the flash. Wonderful. The color of the date, change it. Color red. Alright, now let's go again. Change the color for the color yellow, for example. Click on OK. As you can see, it's changed it also. Let's go to change the color also. For the color black, you can choose the preference color here. Click on OK and look at that. It's changed it. Alright, now do the same action and you can change the size of the beautiful the beautiful text. Okay, you can choose, for example, small. Click on OK. Is small. Or you can also choose, for example, hanger, and look at that. Beautiful, great. All right, you can do the same action like that and like that, and choose what you want. Okay, small. Okay, not bad. Wonderful. Now you can also see button right and center, button center. Look at that. You can see the position of the text. Change it. Okay, wonderful. You can also choose top right, and look at your beautiful text is now here. This is great. Okay, do the same action. Let's go. On the next, you can see Abidjan, my country, appear. You can change, you can put, for example, Côte d'Ivoire, and Côte d'Ivoire appear here under. Woo, this is nice. You can also do many things. For example, your city, add something, and you can also do this, none, to deactivate this, like that. No city and no country test. Wonderful. All right, we continue. As you can see, you can also see this. You can do this. Wow. You can see the date and another. You can choose your preference here if you want. And you can also deactivate this like that. Click on none. Okay. Woo! All of this disappear from the screen. What? Are you ready? Okay. Let's test this right now. Let's test this again. Activate the flash. No. I want the video. What? Ooh, you can do this to navigate to video or photo. Look at photo, video, photo, video. Ooh, this is nice. Activate flash right now. Look at that. Okay, let's recording. Wonderful. And when you're recording, you can do another things. Look on this screen, this button, to take a photo on this beautiful screen. This is great. Okay, wonderful. You can also turn the camera for the selfie. Ooh, directly. Look at me. I'm so beautiful for you. And this is nice. Let's watch this video. Let's watch. Look at that. Wonderful. And when you're recording, you can do another things. Look on this screen, this button, to take a photo on this beautiful screen. This is great. Okay, wonderful. You can also turn the camera for the selfie. Ooh, directly. Look at me. I'm so beautiful for you. And this is nice. Everything is working. And this is the capture. Your photo captured directly on this photo. Okay. Turn the camera. As you can see no date on this screen. No date, no city on this screen, this video recording like that. Nothing. Okay. We continue. Go back. Amazing. Now go on setting again. And on setting, you can also see this. Look at this. Here you can enter something. You can enter a text on your beautiful screen. For example, enter Young Studio 4D. Young Studio 4D. Go back and click on OK here. Look at on your screen here now. Look at that. Young Studio 4D is here and it's so nice. Click on setting. On setting, you can also change the size of your beautiful text. You can choose tiny. It's so small, very small. Okay, now size of the text size small. Okay, Young Studio 4D is here, and let's change the color to choose the white color. Ooh, look at that. It's here. Look at the position. It's here now. The text is under. Now let's test again. Let's change again the position of your beautiful text for top right. And click on OK. Now your text is go back home. Can you see this? This is great. Okay, we continue. Let's do it. Now you can see here many police for you. What your police what you want to choose here? More police, for example, dancing script board. Click on OK. Look at the text is now here. The position is here. Let's change the position for the top right center. Okay, top right center is good. When you change OK is here, you need to turn your camera because when you turn, it's turned. Okay, thank you. Look at that. Young Studio 4D is now here for you. This is great. This is so nice. Okay. Wonderful. There are many things you can do with this beautiful application. You can see here GPS. You can add your GPS. Okay. You can do this. You can also change the quality of your camera like that. Okay. You can choose a full HD. Beautiful. And you can also do something. Okay. You can see do it. Okay. Wonderful. Change again. You can see show map. Show, you can see settings. You can see show map. If you want to add the map, click on enable like that. Okay. If you want altitude enable, do this. Now look at the screen. Look at that. You can see to change the camera for selfie. You can do this and this. This is not practical when you're recording your video like that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see this? You need to change the camera. You can do this. You need another hand. If you have one hand, you are recommended to put this camera, let's change camera here. Let's do it. To do this, you need to click here, time in below, and click on OK. Oh, where are you? Time is below. Okay, what is this? Times map. No, not this option. I want to see. I think that is for was this. I don't know what is the position, but okay, let's stitch this right now. It's on this option. Look at that. Where are you? Change. There are many features into non primer, altitude, speed, and another. What else? Okay, click on advantage. Okay, it's here. This is easy to toggle camera. Wonderful. Click on OK, it's here. And now, it's here. Now you can turn your camera like that. You can use one hand to recording and turn your camera for selfie when you're recording. One hand like that. It's so good. It's so practical, and you can take a photo. Wonderful. Have you seen? There are many features into. Now you can click here to access your setting. Now click on Advantage. You can see mirror phone camera when capture. This is the option for you. Recording video with voice. You can activate or deactivate. Let me see. You are also many features also here for you. You can show the grade like that. You can also see the battery safe brightness and other video quality, the normal and the height. White balance for you. Look at that. Amazing. Wow, you can enable your SD card here. Now you can see more things here, opacity and another. This is great. This is so nice. Advanced camera, show options. Look at that. When you click on show options, you can access to those options for your color effect. Look at that. You can activate the negative. Woo! This is amazing. This is one of the amazing camera that I have never seen. This camera can help you to recording on the main camera and with the the selfie camera together. Hello, look at my hand. Hello, I like you. Click on like and subscribe because you are so beautiful. What? Look at me, bro. Look at me. Wow, this camera is amazing, bro. It's amazing. It's amazing, bro. Do the same action to into deactivate the negative. Click on none and correct. Click here to see your video. Look at that. On the main camera and with wow, the selfie camera together. Hello, look at my hand. Hello, I like you. Click on like and subscribe because you are so beautiful. What? Look at me, bro. Look at me. Wow. As you see, no time here, no times under. No times under. And you can also see Young Studio 4D. You can here, you can enter your name here or subscribe, like if you want. And wow, this is great. The quality is great. And there are many features into that you can discover yourself. What do you think about this camera? Say to me what do you think about this camera. Remember, this camera is called Timescomp. This is version Pro that I have installed. Is almost the same with the version 3 that you can find on a beautiful Play Store. Times camera, which is one of the best camera that I recommend you. For me, this camera is complete. Is the most complete camera that you can use. Wow, I like it. I like it so much. Many people like this camera. Look at that. It's great. Wow. Let's read again more information about this. There are Samsung Fix still enable the open camera on Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, S9, S10 Plus. This application crash when recording video on some phone. This is the new version bug fix. Okay, as you see, there are some new updates many times to fix many problems on this camera. And this is good. All problems on this commentary are fixed with the last version. Okay? Wow, this is great. This is nice on my Samsung Galaxy Note S9 Plus. Look at this camera. This camera is beautiful. This is also the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I use this camera to make this video. Look at on this screen. You can see this Young Studio 4D. My name is here now. Like, subscribe and share, and get ready for the next video. I love you so much. Wow, 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 so beautiful camera. I like it. Let me to zoom into wonderful like that, and look at what you can do with this beautiful phone and this beautiful camera. This is great. Let's test the autofocus of my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with the same camera. Look at that, and look at that. Great. The bright light is good. I like it. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Okay. Get ready to see my face. Get ready to turn the camera on my position. Okay, I'm here now. Have you seen this, bro? Have you seen this? This camera is one of the best camera that I have never used on my phone. My phone is here now, as you can see. This is great. This is nice. Look at that. I can recording with you, do many things. Wow, look at that. Wow, great. If you like, subscribe, like and share, and get ready for the next video. God bless you all. I love you so much. Wow. Subscribe today.